Hello, in this video, we will start by explaining a very important topic that is widely spread in the modern era. We will start by explaining about PLC.
The word PLC is an abbreviation for three words, Programmable Logic Controller. PLC is a ruggedized computer used for industrial automation. These controllers can automate a specific process, machine function, or even an entire production line.
PLC consists of input and output units and also contains the central processing unit. In the input unit, push buttons, sensors, and others are connected, for example. Either at the output, a contactor, relay, or others can be connected. A PLC program is usually written on a computer and then is downloaded to the controller. Most PLC programming software offers programming in ladder logic. Many companies make PLC as Siemens, ABB, Schneider, Allen Bradley, Delta. The types of PLCs differ from each other through several things, the most important of which are the number of inputs and outputs, as well as the amount of voltage that the PLC operates on. There are many practical applications in the YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.